In this video, we will show how to change the programming if you've installed the problem water injector kit. If the control valve is in the locked position, press and hold the menu button for approximately 3 seconds until you hear a beep and the lock icon shown on the display screen disappears. Then press the menu button followed by the arrow down button until you highlight Main Menu. Then press the Set button to access this screen. Then press the arrow down button to highlight Salt Mode Setting, followed by the Set button to access this screen. Press the arrow down button to highlight High Capacity Mode, followed by the Set button. It now shows that you've selected High Capacity Mode. You then must press the Set button to confirm. Then press the menu button several times until you arrive at the main display screen. Next, press and hold the arrow up and down buttons simultaneously for approximately 3 seconds in order to access the factory mode. Then press the arrow down button several times until you have highlighted Salt versus Efficiency. Then press the Set button to access this screen. You'll then press the Set button in order to move the cursor all the way down to the bottom right-hand corner, as seen here. The number shown is 2,500 grains, but we need to change it to 2,100. So using the Set button along with the arrow down button, make the changes and then press the Set button to confirm. Then press the menu button several times to arrive back at the main display screen. This change is necessary to compensate for the injector conversion you just performed.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.